Ever heard this sound in Japan's summer? Just one tiny ting, and somehow everything feels peaceful. It's called Furin, Japan's summer wind chime. Not just decoration, it's believed to cool the air and calm the spirit. Each region even has its own tone, hand-tuned by glass artisans. Back in the Edo period, people hung Furin to ward off evil and summer sickness. Today, it's a sound of nostalgia, one soft ring that brings you right back to childhood. But here's the twist. There's science behind that piece.
Researchers found the Furin chime hits 2 to 4 kilohertz, the same range our brains link to nature's calm. That's why a single ting can melt your stress away. What sound reminds you of